Here's the next camera. Here I've actually got the instruction manual. It is the Revere B61 and B63. This is the B63, meaning the 3 turrets. Magazine camera. This is the owner instructions manual, and it's just a little bit wrinkled, but it's got all the things. Here's the diagram for the B61, which is not the turret camera. It's got the diagrams and everything, for lack of a better word, and everything. I mean, this one was given to me a friend Ty in Italy. Just a second. Can somebody answer that? I'll just let that ring. Here's how to load the camera and how to unload the camera. Very good little helpful manual, made me understand all about different cameras and how the f-stops work, and how different speeds affect the exposure of film and everything about these cameras, and sort of woke me up to the rest of the cool antique world. This is how you open it. This guy flips open, and there's the inside, very shiny. There's a little cassette sort of thing would go inside there. It was a bit smaller than a. Here, let me grab a. Here's a normal stereo cassette. As you can see, it was a bit smaller than a stereo cassette, but I think you got the idea. It was double run, so you would lay it flat for the first 25 feet and then flip it over after 25 feet to expose the entire 50-foot roll. Here's a viewfinder. Close this back up. What was I talking about? Alright, here. I'll wind it up for you so you can see how it... Oh, I think I've already wound it up. People may say, oh no, don't wind it up all! Don't wind it up all the way! It may be so brittle that it'll just break! Not so much true. I mean, these things were made to last, and in all the instructions it says wind them up all the way. I probably wouldn't do this one, which is 86 years old. I can't do math. 80-ish years old. And I would never do that, so... Let's see, it's running. Nothing happens to the viewfinder when it's running. Let me see if I can sort of line this up. So you can see nothing will happen when I pull back the trigger. So this is the trigger. It is a pullback. And if you pull it back all the way, it'll lock, so you can let go of it and get into your own movies. And then this is single frame, if you wanted to do a stop motion picture. There's the foot meter, how many feet you have left, and this is the speed. You can go between 12, which is down here, 12 and 48 speed, which is I think frames per second. So 12 to 16 to 32, 24, 32, then 48 frames per second. 48 being super slow motion, and 12 being fast motion. So you can it'll make it look really jerky, and but the people will move around really fast, and anything will move really fast. So the turret spins just like this. Whew. This is a wide-angle lens, which even though it looks like a telephoto, it is not. It's a wide-angle. This is the telephoto here on the bottom, and this is actually weird. On the wide-angle, it only gives you an f-stop change. It doesn't give you a distance. I think it might be fixed focus. Here, let me. This is the telephoto here. Here's the foot meter, so focus, focal length. And here's the f-stop. Here's a little standard everything use lens, f-stop, and then here's the focus. Helpful little meter on the back here. Revere 8, model B63. Bright sun, weak hazy sun, open shade, bright day, overcast, deep shade, telling you what stops you should put it at. And that's basically it. Here, I can run it with the door open.